Properties of rank. There are around 18 properties related to rank, and it is very important when you are going to write either MSc or PhD entrance exam or any other competitive higher mathematical exam. The first point is the rank of every non-singular matrix of order n is n. Means if matrix is non-singular, its determinant is non-zero. Then rank is same as the order of matrix. Also, rank is non-zero or matrix is invertible. It means all eigenvalues of non-zero all eigenvalues of invertible matrix are non-zero. So all 3 points are justified. All these 3 points are justified. Now, second point is the rank of square matrix A of order n can be less than n if and only if determinant of A is 0. If determinant of A is 0, rank may be less than n or rank may be less than n. Third point, the rank R of a m cross n matrix can at most be equal to the smaller of the number m and n, but it may be less. Means rank never exceed size of the matrix. Rank never exceeds size of the matrix, but rank may be smaller from these two or equals to min of m cross n, either m or n. The rank of zero matrix is 0. This was fourth point. Fifth, rank of identity matrix or unit matrix is n if its size is n. Elementary transformation do not alter the rank of the matrix. Either you are applying elementary row operation or column operation, it doesn't alter the rank of the matrix. Varinon theorem, rank nullity theorem. If rank of a square matrix of order m, then m minus rank A is called the nullity of matrix A. Suppose a square matrix has some rank, you can say R. Then m minus rank A, m is size of the matrix because this is a square matrix. Rank of a matrix is same as the number of linearly independent row vectors in the matrix as well as the number of linearly independent column vector in the matrix. So rank is a number. Rank is a number. So if we are getting R as a rank, then R linearly independent rows or R linearly independent column, you can say in any terms. The rank of a matrix A does not change by pre-multiplication or post-multiplication by a non-singular matrix. Suppose P and Q are two invertible matrix. Then either you applying pre or post, then rank is same as matrix A, or you can choose single one also. Rank of A equals to rank A where B is invertible matrix. If A and B are matrices of same order, then rank of sum always less than sum of individual rank. This was 10th point. If A and B are matrices of same order, then rank of AB means rank of product, and it is necessary multiplication must be defined, means conformable for multiplication. Rank of product is less than min of rank A rank B. And rank A never exceed its size, means either row or column, or rank AB never less than rank of B. Rank of A and A transpose is same. 12th point is, if A transpose is the matrix A, then rank of A transpose and A is same, or rank of A transpose equals to rank A. If A theta is the conjugate transpose of matrix A, then rank of conjugate transpose is same as A. So you can understand rank of A equals to rank of A transpose equals to rank of A conjugate transpose. This property is true. So there are three results comes from above one, and this is a note point. Rank of A equals to rank of A transpose A, true only in real matrix. If A is M cross N matrix, then rank of A less than equals to mean of Mn. Thus rank of A less than equals to M, or rank of A less than equals to N, or rank lies between 0 and mean value of Mn. You can say in any terms. The rank of a skew matrix cannot be 1. Skew symmetric matrix cannot be 1, because for skew symmetric matrix rank always be greater than 1. If A and B are two n-rowed square matrix, then rank of AB, because for product n-rowed we are taking for conformable for multiplication. Rank of product is greater than rank of A plus rank of B minus n. Rank of nilpotent matrix equals to index of nilpotent matrix minus 1. Keep remember, rank of nilpotent matrix equals to index of nilpotent matrix minus 1, and rank of involutory matrix equals to n, because determinant of involutory matrix is either plus 1 or minus 1. So these are few points related to rank, and it is very important to do problems related to rank.